The tool that I really like to be able to create presentations, because that is a huge part of my life at least, is just trying to explain concepts to people, is called Tome. And there's Slides.ai. There's a bunch of different ones that you can use. Now here's a great way to use Tome. Let's say I want to write an article about these wetlands. So I say summarize. It summarizes this whole article. I can take that over to ChatGPT and I say, write a deeply impactful and heartfelt 2,000 word article in a much deeper, more passionate manner, because being able to present your ideas in a way that resonates is very important. And you can even type in that resonates with a certain audience of a certain type. It's spoken in a certain language. Fantastic. So now I have this article. I can then take it to Tome and I can say, create a presentation about this. And it's going to go through and generate a full presentation, including original images that have never been seen on the internet before that relate to that specific topic. It's going to put them next to this information and organize it according to how you would like it to look. And then you can go back and change around the images and adjust the voice, adjust all the pieces that are inside. It has references and acknowledgement. Okay, so create it. And that's how long it took to create a presentation about wetlands and with original imagery on the side. This is not a photo taken off the internet. This is originally generated imagery that aligns with what we're talking about here. Say keep that. Let's see. And you can go through and you can add more things to it. So that's how easy it is to be able to generate all these complicated things in a way that it aligns with exactly the voice you're trying to speak, the message you're trying to send.